Welcome to Early Signal. Today, we're taking a calm, close look at a question increasingly on the minds of many in Europe's tech and academic sectors. Should we fear Microsoft's monopoly? This isn't just about a big company dominating software markets. It's about data access, national security, and how reliant we've become on a single American IT giant. Over recent months, geopolitical tensions have pushed organizations like Eindhoven University of Technology, or TUE, and the Dutch ICT cooperative SURF to explore alternatives to American IT providers like Microsoft and Google. The concern is real. Could political decisions in the US, such as sanctions or executive orders, suddenly cut off access to critical data and services? The International Criminal Court's recent ban on Microsoft due to sanctions worries hints at this risk. But despite this push, there's no ready-made European alternative that can fully replace Microsoft's extensive ecosystem. Microsoft doesn't just offer a word processor or cloud storage. It provides a tightly integrated suite of services, from security solutions and data center infrastructure to access controls and AI capabilities. This integration makes it difficult to simply swap out Microsoft components without creating massive administrative overhead and costs. In the short term, several university departments at TUE are experimenting with alternatives like Nextcloud, a German cloud-based file sharing and collaboration platform. SURF is also working on homegrown security solutions. Elsewhere, some institutions like the International Criminal Court have begun transitioning to alternatives such as the German Open Desk, though none of these come close to supplanting Microsoft in full. At the same time, a consortium of Dutch universities, including Utrecht, Delft, Amsterdam, Erasmus, and Tilburg, is collaborating to develop alternatives, though TUE is observing rather than participating directly. The challenge is not just technical, but also organizational, requiring long-term cooperation between governments, knowledge institutions, and private partners. Looking ahead, building a truly competitive European alternative will likely take years, if not decades. The current dominance of Microsoft and Google stems from decades of investment by billion-dollar companies with vast resources, making it a tough playing field to break into. Interestingly, this dependency gives Microsoft and the US certain leverage, but it also creates a financial interdependence. Europe is a significant market for American IT giants. Experts suggest that a sudden cutoff of data access from the US would have serious financial repercussions for American companies, acting as a deterrent against such drastic measures. So what does this mean for everyday users, businesses, and universities? For now, most will continue relying on Microsoft's ecosystem, enjoying its seamless integration and mature features. But behind the scenes, efforts to diversify and develop European solutions quietly build momentum. The hope is that by contributing local expertise in software and hardware, Europe can gradually reduce its dependency without compromising security or user experience. In essence, Microsoft's monopoly is a complex issue involving technology, geopolitics, economics, and trust. It's not a simple problem with a quick fix, but it's one that demands attention and strategic planning. For individuals and organizations alike, awareness of this landscape helps prepare for a future where data sovereignty and digital independence could become paramount. Thanks for listening to Early Signal. Stay curious, stay informed.